The county inspector said to install a septic system drain field bed. So we did. Except it's not very comfortable to lay on. And I should probably get out of the ditch because here comes the mini excavator to fill in the hole. And then somebody's gonna go and be like, oh my God, you're in the trench. How deep is the trench? Where's your shoring protection? That's the grass level right there. It's not even over 5 feet. Don't need shoring. And even if we did, I'm the owner. The rules don't apply to me. And by that I mean, the government is completely okay with me dying. They just don't want my employees to die. And quite frankly, I'm okay with that rule.